Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 163 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in a sentence. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is timorous. The meaning of the word timorous is showing or suffering from a nervousness or lack of confidence. I repeat, the meaning of the word timorous is showing or suffering from nervousness or a lack of confidence. Now let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word timorous better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, he proceeded with doubtful and timorous steps. Here, timorous is being used as an adjective. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. The synonyms can be fearful or apprehensive. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be bold or confident. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word timorous better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड टिमरस को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. द सेंटेंस दैट वाज गिवन टू अस वाज ही प्रोसीडेड विद डाउटफुल एंड टिमरस स्टेप्स. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है वह डरे हुए कदमों और संदिग्ध कदमों के साथ आगे बढ़ा. यहाँ पर टिमरस का मतलब है डरे हुए कदमों के साथ आगे बढ़ना. So, guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this word timorous better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.